Hello and welcome to our video tutorial series. In this tutorial, we will show you how to redirect your domain from non-www to www. To set redirects for your domain, you can use either the htaccess method or the domain redirects method. Let's first explain how the domain redirect method works. Log into our panel and click on the domains menu item from the sidebar. Under the domain groups list, find your domain group and navigate into it. Find your domain and click on the Actions button to the right. Click on the Miscellaneous tab, and under Domain Redirects, toggle the redirect to www switch on. Very simple, right? Now, the other way to do this, as previously said, is by modifying the htaccess file, which you can find in your domain's root directory. So let's go into cPanel. Locate the htaccess file, right-click on it, and select Edit. Click the Edit button again, and copy and paste the following code. Don't forget to update the domain in that rule to match your domain. Once done, click on the Save Changes button in the upper right corner of the page. We hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to visit our knowledge base or simply contact our support team.